Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S40. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Firstly, let's go to Settings and now enter Security and Location. Tap on Screen Lock, Confirm, and here we've got 5 types of screen lock: None, Swipe, Pattern, Pin and Password. Let's start with the top of the list. None. Swipe. Pattern. Pin. And password. Now let's set pattern again. And go to Face Unlock. Enroll your face. And once it's scanned, use it to unlock the phone. Great. Now go to Fingerprint and your touch sensor is at the back of the phone, right here. So scan your fingerprint a few times and now you can use it to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.